All right, we're back with Mr. Ghost again. There was a little confusion, but we got it situated now. Gold standard, first off the line, 2019 football. Good luck, buddy. Good luck, good luck. All right. We will begin with Saquon Barkley, number 299. The Motherload. Nice looking multi-piece patch. Number to 49, Juju Smith-Schuster. The Motherload. Next up, jersey, Leonard Fournette. It's $1.99. Wow, this is a crazy looking rookie patch autograph. Cord. Might like that. Numbered 14 of 19, Miles Sanders. With the eagle eye. Staring right at you. Right into your soul. Look at that thing. Miles Sanders. It's a cool hit. You don't really see too much of this guy. Chris Spielman. Good as gold patch autograph. 10 of 25. And Rock Ya-Sin. The 75. Dope signature right there. And we will finish it with Caden Smith, rookie, numbered 8 of 10. And I'll round out the gold standard. All right, buddy. Nice hit on the rookie patch. I appreciate it, man. Get it all packed up and out ASAP.